Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Here we do cash stuffing, we do budget, we do paying off debts, and we do minding my business. Okay, maybe not in that order, but that's what we do over here. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because we would love to have you as a part of the what family. Okay, would love to have you over here. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. Bessie, welcome back. How you doing? I hope y'all had a beautiful week, because you know today's Saturday, so we gotta do some cash stuffing. Okay, and if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and leave your 2 cents down in the comment box below, because your 2 cents down in the comment box plus my 98 cents makes $1, and we can do a whole lot with $1. But y'all see the cash, y'all know what's up, so let's get into the video. Okay y'all, so as you can see, I have the money here, and we are going to see how much this is, baby, and put it all in order. So let's do a little counting. This is 100, 150, 200, 222, 42, 62, 80, 300, 320, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 400. So today we're going to be stuffing $400, okay? And we just gonna lay all the babies out. Let's put these in order. Okay, these is all in one direction. These is all in one direction. Undo this. So we have no ones today, y'all. So $400. We have no ones, unfortunately, but it's all good. And your girl's hands a little dry, so let's get a little lotion to get it all popping up in here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start off with before we do anything is we are going to start off with our saving challenge. And our saving challenge on this paycheck only getting $20. So for today, we're just going to be cash stuffing the 100 envelope challenge. We will cash stuff the other challenges another day, okay? And so all we have to do is pick a number. I've completed 1 through 12, right? 1 through 12, yes. Oh, no, child. I didn't complete 11. I didn't complete 11. Okay, so since I didn't complete 11, let's complete number 11 right here. And so I don't have $11 I was going to it. I actually had a $20 bill. So we are going to put, yes, $20 all up in number 11, because you know what? We love to see it. So number 11 gets a $20 bill. That is cute, man. When we counting these at the end when it's completed, ooh, girl, it's about to be lit. So number 11 got stuff this month, or well, this paycheck, and that is it for our saving challenges, because we just didn't have a lot of money to work with this time, you know. But we gonna try to work with some more the other time. So now let's move on to another thing. So let's move on to, let's go backwards. Let's go to my sinking funds. So this right here is my sinking funds, and y'all, please, oh my gosh, y'all. So I went and I got my car maintenance done, and let me tell you, the Lord is a beautiful thing. The Lord is a beautiful person. The Lord, okay, come through every time. But right now car maintenance has 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, and in car maintenance I'm supposed to be adding $70, which that's a 50 and a 20. So that's that, and we put that in the back. So right now car maintenance has 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, and 420. That is beautiful. We have $420 in car maintenance, which every dollar just, ugh. Next is travel, and travel is getting how much travel getting? $70 as well, and right now it has 50 and 55. So that is another 50 and another $20 bill, if I'm not mistaken, for travel, y'all. And so now travel has 50, 100, 120, and 125. So I'm going to use this travel money to go to Georgia to see my family for Thanksgiving. So that will pay for gas and the meals along the way, both going and coming back. So I should only need to fill my gas tank up one time when I get to Georgia, and then I will need to fill it up again one time when I'm leaving Georgia. So this is 125. That's what I said, right? 125. Yes, 125, and hopefully that is good and great for all the things. So that is travel. Next is Christmas, which Christmas has nothing in there right now because I used my Christmas money to basically pay my credit card, because that's what I bought Christmas gifts. So right now Christmas is getting $10, which is a $10 bill, and so that's all that's going to be put into Christmas. Okay, next is clothing, and clothing is getting $5. Is that what it is? Is it getting $5? Let me check the budget, y'all. Let me check the budget. Yes, it is. It's getting $5. So right now clothing has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And right now clothing is getting a $5 bill. So let's fix. Ooh, is this one prettier? Y'all know I love me a pretty bill, okay? I love me a pretty bill, and I'll be pretty billing it up. So put that 5 over here, put that in here. And these are my sinking funds, so they're going to last longer. So that's why I really like putting pretty bills in them. So right now clothing has 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So clothing has $50 for whatever clothes that I need to get for the future. Right now it's winter, child, and I could be getting some wintry. We just don't know yet. So that is clothing. Next is my birthday, and right now my birthday has 20, 40, 45, and 50, and we are getting $5 as well for my birthday. So 20, 40, 45, 50, and 55 is now what is in my birthday, which is cute. You know, I love this slowly growing energy of my birthday, because she started from the bottom and now she's here. So I'm not too mad at her. Not too mad at all. Next is Fam's B-Day, which has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And she's also getting $5 because, again, start from the bottom, now we're here. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and $15 in now in Fam birthday. So I have my next 2 birthdays are in January, so basically saving up for those. I kind of think I have an idea what I want to do for both of them, but we're working on it, y'all. So Fam birthday is got $15, and the next 2 are in January. So that's that. 1 month ahead, okay? 1 month ahead is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 220, 225, 26, and 27. And 1 month ahead is getting $20. So we're going to take a $20 bill and we're going to add that here. And now 1 month ahead is 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47. So now 1 month ahead has $247. Dollars. Okay? Love it. And last but not least in my emergency fund is, not my emergency fund, last but not least in my sinking funds is my emergency fund. Let me see if I took out all the coins, girl. So, I do have $500 that is in the bank. That's why we have a $500 placeholder. And then in my actual envelope, I have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100 in emergency fund. An emergency fund is getting $30. So that's a 20 and also a 10. Okay, and so right now with the new deposit. Emergency fund has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So they have $130 in cash plus the $500, so that's $630 for my emergency fund. Okay, for my emergency fund. So that is it for my sinking funds, and now your girl about to move on to the last but base, which is my cash envelope. So let's get into her. Okay. Okay, y'all, so this is my cash envelope binder, and so we are going to begin the cash stuffing. So groceries right now has $0.00, which, child, it be doing that, and it's getting $100. So I'm gonna take $100 bill. And so with Thanksgiving, I'm like kind of hoping that I don't need all of this money, because then I can use like a part of it during Thanksgiving. That's what I'm hoping for. And then, you know, come back and be good to close out the month. Okay, y'all, let me get some water because your girl is thirsty. Oh, my throat dry. Oh, my throat was dry. Y'all, my envelopes are coming apart. Oh, to get us. That means I gotta make new envelopes, y'all, which I had planned to do, but I guess I'm making them a little earlier. But that is groceries, which has $100. Next is gas, and gas right now has 20, 25, 26, and 27, and gas is getting a $20 bill. So now gas has 20, 40, 45, 46, and $47. $47 in gas. So let's put that there, and that's good. Next is allowance, and allowance is getting $10. Ooh, allowance got money. She rich, girl. She rich. Because, you know, allowance she ain't holding nothing, child. Nothing at all. But allowance right now has $10. So that's cool. That's cute. Next, we're moving on to my toiletries, which toiletries has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, and 38. And we are adding $5 to toiletries. So now, toiletries has 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, and 43. So toiletries has $43. $43. Love to see it. Next is household, which household has $20, because I know I told y'all she was holding me down, so I'm gonna let her down. You know, it is what it is. And so household is getting $15, so that's a 10 and a 5. So that means that now household has $35, okay? $35. So that is that for household. And next is hair care, which hair care is getting $15. That's it. Normally she don't get just $15, so that's why I'm a little confused. But hair care is getting $15 right now. She has 100, 150, 160, 170, 180, 185, and so she's getting $15, which would then make hair care 100, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 95, and 200. So hair care does have $200 in there, and so that will take care of my hair today, now that you guys are watching this video. And yeah, we'll be good. Boom, bada, bang. Okay, so now this is back to bank, and there is a little bit of money to go back to the bank, but we are all good in the neighborhood. But that is it for my cash stuffing. That was everything, child. Baby, all the money went where it needed to go. All the things happen. You know, we is set for the week, and we can start over right, and we can start over for Thanksgiving. But if you've made it all the way here, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please consider hitting that thumbs up button. It would be greatly appreciated. Leave your 2 cents, y'all. Leave your 2 cents down in the comment below, because I'd love to hear from you guys. And then subscribe to the channel if you are new here and you enjoyed the content, baby, because do what you got to do, okay? So again, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Anique, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.